Oh, there's like no one here. What the heck? Oh, there's this girl, but...
Oh, hey.
Oh, are you talking to me?
Yeah, Owen.
How did you know my name?
I mean, my sister said that she's met you before.
What's your sister's name?
Meredith.
Oh, yeah. So what's your name?
Christina.
Oh, hey, Christina. Your sister told me about you, kind of.
Yeah.
I've only met her really once, so, yeah. So are you from around here?
Actually, I live in Texas, but I'm just visiting.
Oh, yeah. Hawaii is a very nice place.
Yeah.
You should plan on moving here.
Yeah, me and my boyfriend were kind of playing on it.
Your boyfriend?
Yeah.
You
We've been together
have
for
a boyfriend.
Yeah, we've been together for 3 years.
Oh. Oh, hi, sir. Let's go over here. He's being good. Oh, I didn't know you had a boyfriend.
Yeah, his name's Derek.
Oh, Derek?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, do you want to come see my place? I live right around the corner. Come on, let's go.
Okay, but I can't stay long.
Yeah, 'cause your boyfriend.
Yeah, he's waiting in the hotel room.
What? Oh, okay.
I mean, I guess you can call him my husband because we're on our honeymoon.
What? You're on your honeymoon?
Yeah.
Oh. Well, this is my place.
Oh, it's pretty nice.
Yeah.
But you live in Hawaii? Or is this the place that you're staying in?
No, I live here.
Mm.
I'm thinking about moving to Hawaii, actually. I'll show you my room. Here.
What do you mean we're in Hawaii?
I mean, Texas, sorry.
Yeah.
This is my sister's room. She usually comes around here and then. Here is where your sister stayed whenever she came over for a little bit. Right here. So, yeah. And then, right here is my room, of course, because it has the TVs. And it's in my house. It's not really mine, though. Yeah, and this is just an extra room, I guess. So yeah, it's cozy, I guess. It's not my favorite.
You have a kid?
No, I'm too young to have kids.
How old are you?
18.
Nice.
Your sister said you were about to turn 18, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool.
We got married really young, I know.
Yeah, so, what's his name again? Here, come here. Oh, come here. Come sit down so we can actually see each other. Derek?
Yeah.
Oh. That's pretty cool. He seems pretty nice, is he?
Yeah.
Could I meet this Derek guy one day?
Maybe if you come to the hotel.
Perfect.
I
I'll come tomorrow.
I can't really guarantee that he'll be here because I think our plane leaves back to Texas tomorrow.
It does?
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'll get my bags and we can go together.
Do you have your tickets? The plane's kind of sold out.
Yeah, I'll go on my phone. Here, I'll be right back. You stay here.
Oh, okay,
Okay,
sure.
guys, that girl is so pretty, guys. I don't know how to say it, but she is so cute and she's so sweet, just like me. Okay, let's look at my phone. Okay. Okay, whoa! $500? $500. No way. No way. There's no way that is $500. We're gonna have to buy it. Okay, guys, I just bought it. But, guys, I need to ask that girl out. But she's dating that Derek guy. Maybe if I do go with her, then I can show her how nice of a guy I am. Hey, Christina!
Oh, yeah, I was gonna come up and tell you, but, I figured I should just stay down here. My husband is calling me. He needs me back at the He needs to be back at the hotel.
Right now?
Yeah, to pack.
Oh, that's perfect. I'll see you tomorrow at the airport. Here,
Oh.
meet me at the airport in the morning around 8? Is that okay? Or no?
Okay, but I'll have to make sure that's okay with my husband.
Okay, but first, I know, like, this is kind of short, but can we at least go eat and talk for a second? Because, like I said, I don't really know you, and I kind of do want to know you. Come on, let's go.
Maybe tomorrow in the airport. I heard they have a really good pizza place. I could bring my husband along.
Come on. Just for a little bit, please.
I can't.
Look at the time. It's not even that late. Come on. Just come eat a cake real fast. Just real fast. Come eat a pizza.
I can't. I have to go back to my hotel.
Okay.
I'll see you tomorrow at the airport, Ellen.
Got it. Bye.
Bye.
Oh my god, guys. Did she just talk to me? Guys, that was her first time ever talking to me. She is so cute and romantic. Let's buy a pizza. Let's get a pizza. Thank you. I wish that guy wasn't dating her. Wow, this pizza's really good. I don't know. Oh, she's still right there. Maybe I can wave bye. Bye! Oh, I don't think she heard me. I really wish we would be such a cute couple. Look at this big house. I have a workout room that I don't even use. Maybe she likes guys with muscles. What if I get muscles? Oh my god, I don't think she likes guy muscles though. Because she would have mentioned it. How do I get to that room? I've never really explored this house. This isn't even my house. I just snuck in here because I'm like, whoa, that is so cool. That looked weird. Okay. Guys, let's start working out. Yes. Work out. Okay, guys, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to hit that red subscribe button to join my co-host squad. I hope y'all enjoyed this roleplay. We're going to be doing a part 2. Say bye, Christina.
Bye, guys.
As soon as our roleplay is done, I will be telling y'all who Christina is. Bye, guys, and I hope y'all have a nice day and have fun in life. Goodbye.